Hi friends, so we are going for live streaming, the complete market live streaming, the market update, how the Nifty, Banknifty and individual stocks are behaving. And today's market is sideways market. At the beginning, I released one video on Nifty and Banknifty. There I specify. So today's market is sideways market and already range has been given and the market is trading in that range only. It is good going, no problem. Just you can observe the market at this moment. We have given the call, the Bata call I have given. The video has been posted. You can observe that the first target already reached 2040. The first target I have given, and after taking the first target, there is a good chance of reaching 21, 22 in coming days, not immediately. Do trading carefully. It is a sideways market, so no problem for the bulls. The only thing is the volatility. You can observe the Nifty spot in the morning video also I mentioned it. It is a sideways market. It is going as per our expectation only. Already I have given the range 17,822 18,000 level. Still our chart setup is showing that only. Instead of betting on index, you can bet on individual stocks. They are going good, and especially consumption stocks like Bata, it is doing good, and you can consider Bajaj Finance and Bajaj Finserv for the coming days. And we are going to deal with each and every individual stock also which are coming into our radar. This is sideways market only. Nifty is showing the range. It is showing the range. Already the range has been mentioned. The lower boundary is 17,820. The upper boundary is showing 18,000 level. There is a good chance of moving up. Still the no negative or no weakness in the market. But only thing is global news are not supporting the market. You can consider taking the calls on Nifty, but only thing is the option writers, they can find advantage, but be careful. Any moment the market may turn positive. It's good going. Hourly also simply the chance of performing better at the end. It is at important resistance zone, hourly resistance zone 17,930. Above 17,930 you can expect upside. Otherwise the downside, the support is at 17,831 or 820 zone. That is a good zone where you can consider the long positions for the future for tomorrow or for 2 more days. Yes, still it is in the positive territory until unless it breaks a 17,820. There is no downside. Above 17,935 you can find a good upside. It is struck in the range. It is the market for the option writers. I will take up the individual scripts also. So look at the bank Nifty. It is somewhat good as compared to the Nifty. It is performing good. In the morning, I specified 38,200 is a good support zone. It took the support at 38,200 zone and it is performing good. Still there is a good upside once 38,495 has been taken out. 38,495, that is a good resistance zone, daily chart, and weekly also showing upside, and monthly also you can find upside only, but the breakout to happen. If the breakout happens, then there is a good chance of reaching up to that 40,000 level also, 40,000 above 40,000 level. Not immediately, there is a good chance of going up to that level 40,000 to 40,800 or 500 zone. Okay, we are looking for the intraday. When you go for the intraday, there is a good resistance zone here, 38,490. So look at the Bata. This Bata is performing good. Just you can find Bata. I have given the call and I posted video on Bata also. Simply you can find Bata. It is performing good. There is a good chance of reaching 21, 22 in coming days. Intraday, just so you can consider up to 2090 level or 2080 to 2090 level. Monthly you can find the level up to 21, 22. It is good going. Bata consumption stock you can consider that, and SRF also from so many days we are tracing out SRF. Today also it is performing good, and today also it has made an high of 12,600. Still there is a up moment pending. There is a good chance of reaching up to 13,300 zone also. It is showing good momentum. Weekly and monthly also is showing good. The monthly chart also is showing good, and there is a good chance of reaching 13,000 level. So we are keep on updating the levels depending upon the market move. So we are not going to fix them dynamically based on the chart setup. We used to change the targets for upper targets. It is completely in uptrend only, not in the downtrend. When the script is in uptrend, price movement is in uptrend, just we need to look for the supports to enter. Every support will give good returns. Here what we are doing is just we are looking for the support. If the support has been taken, there is a good chance of moving upside. Okay, that is a simple thing what you are doing. Today also the Reliance is not performing good. We are expecting Reliance to perform good tomorrow, not today. So when you go for the Reliance, look at the Reliance. When you look at the Reliance Industries, today it is at a good support level. Today the moment you may not expect big moment, and tomorrow certainly you can expect big moment. And once tomorrow we are expecting the big moment from the Reliance, there is a good chance of finding the higher levels in coming days. Once the Reliance performs better, simply you can find the Nifty to perform better. And here the Reliance today it has taken the resistance at 2700 up to now. There is a good chance of reaching the level 22,700. It is going to be 2666.70 zone. We got the resistance. Still there is a good chance to go up. There is no weakness in Reliance Industries also, as well as in Nifty also. You are not going to find any weakness. It's good going, no problem at all. There is a good chance of reaching the 2800 levels also by Diwali. I'm expecting that. There is a good chance this month, no downside. Of course, after touching the important levels, there may be a chance, but still it's going good. You can expect upper levels up to 28 to 2850 level also in coming days. But the stop loss is at 2620 level. Always you have to maintain the stop loss at 2620 level or 2600 level. Still we can go for the long on Reliance. It is showing up to 2800 level. My style is to keep on update targets. If it is performing good, certainly targets will be increased. Only thing is support levels. We'll take the support levels. Based on support levels, we'll take up the complete stock movement. It is good going, no problem at all for the bulls. In case of Nifty also, it has to perform good. In the last hour, I'm expecting if it is 17,935, above 17,935, there is a good chance for the bulls. Be careful, option writers, call writers, be careful above 17,935 level. If the 17,935 level has been taken out, if it is sustained above the 17,935, there will be a problem for the call writers. Be careful. At this moment, put writers no problem, but we have to think about call writers. But wait for the level 17,940, 935 level to be crossed. Okay, and for the Bank Nifty, no problem. It has to perform good. Bank Nifty from the morning, we are holding the good support levels of 38,200, and it is showing a good upside only. Already I have given the last the live streaming also. I have given the simple call saying that by keeping the stop loss at 38,000, you can go for the target of 38,600, 620 zone. So there is a good chance of reaching over there. So be careful regarding that. Look at the Tata Motors. That is also Tata Motors, when you look at the Tata Motors, today it has reached up to 436 level. Actually, our target was 446 level. 44 in the last streaming also, live streaming also, I have given the target of 436 to 446 level, I think. Today we have reached the level up to 436 exactly. Still there is no weakness in Tata Motors, but only thing is little bit of profit booking, but um, there is a good chance of reaching up to 446. Okay, look at the Nifty spot here. Just we are going for Nifty spot levels. So I'm keep on saying above 17,935 level, there is a good chance to go up. Okay, that is happening here as per our chart setup. It is crossing the level 17,935, 936. See there, you can find the level there. That is it is a sideways market. It is not upside or downside. It is completely sideways. When the market Nifty or Bank Nifty they are in sideways, the individual stocks will perform better. That is a market strategy. When the Nifty and the Bank Nifty both are going sideways, then you can find good moment in individual strips. And in the morning also, SRF has given the good momentum up to 12,600. It is of course it is an overbought zone. It is not the case when the script is in overbought zone we have to go for the short. Don't go for the shorts on overbought zones. It seems to be working, but not. Always we need to, when you want to go for the short calls, you have to find the script which is in the downtrend. And if the script is in uptrend, you have to find support levels for the entry and go for the longs. If it is an uptrend, we must go for the longs. If it is a downtrend, we must go for the shorts. That is our strategy. If the script price movement is keep on going, we are also going to follow that. So always we are going to follow the stream. We are not going for against the stream, or we are not going to fight against it. Just always we need to find the trend. According to the trend we have to act. And Bajaj Finance, look at the Bajaj Finance. When you look at Bajaj Finance, in case of Bajaj Finance, it took the good support at the level 7770, 7770 to 7751. That is the zone it has taken the good support. Still there is a good chance of breaking the previous high 8000 level. If that level is taken out, it is a good chance to find good levels up to 8180 level first, then more than that. And look at the Bajaj Finserv. This is going to be Bajaj Finserv. This is going to be Bajaj Finserv. And you look at the Bajaj Finserv, it is also performing good today. Bajaj Fins are performing good. At the end also, I am expecting good performance from the Bajaj Twins. Now it is trading around 18,335. My target already I placed video on Bajaj Finserv also. The first target will be 18,800 level. So once that level is taken out, there is a good chance of finding 19,400 level. But be careful at this level, the 18,821 or 800 level. Keep on observe it. If that level is taken out and sustained above that level, there is a good chance to find 19,400 level also. But generally, the options buyers can benefit when the script is in good momentum, and you can expect good momentum from the Bajaj Fins, Bajaj Finserv, and Bajaj Finance. You can maintain long calls in those scripts. Here, yes, I am giving these all these price targets. I don't want to consider any of the fundamental issues of the company. I'm not having any relationship with any of the company. I'm the independent researcher and stock market. We made all these patterns based on the price action only, which is going to be common for any of the asset. It may be cryptocurrency or commodities or options, or going for the equities, whatever it may be, short term, intraday, long term. For any format, even for 1 minute format also, this is going to work fine. We have done the research on the price action of the asset only. We are least bothered about the fundamentals of the company. We are achieving the targets as per the explanation given by me. You can verify my previous videos also. You can observe that everything is happening within a given time, and we are hitting the targets properly. Here, just look at the SRF. Just is the favorite, our favorite from the last 10 days. Simply SRF, it is showing good upside. Again, there is a good chance to reach up to level 12,600 again. There is a good chance of reaching the 12,600 again within the short duration. It is showing good upside. If that level is taken out, there is a chance of reaching up to 12,900 level also. If that level is breached, for that, just the stop loss will be at 12,200 level, and still good upside. There is no problem. Look at the bank nifty spot. Just you can observe the bank nifty spot here, just what I specified, that is happening. Simply it is going good. There is no problem for the bulls if it is above 38,200 level. And the Nifty also showing positive momentum at this moment. Look at the Nifty spot. Already I mentioned it, above 17,935. There is a hard time for the call writers. So just intraday call writers, be careful. Above 17,935 level, there is a good chance to reach up to 18,000 or more also. But call writers, be careful at this point. 17,935, above 17,935, there will be hard time for the call writers. And bank nifty also, there is a good chance of reaching up to 38,600 today itself. It is going good, took the support at 38,200 level. Good going as per our expectation only. And Bajaj Finance also, it is going good, and our scripts are performing good. Bata I have given, that is going good. And next one is SRF, that is also performing good. And Bharat Forge, you can take the Bharat Forge. You can verify my previous videos, also streaming videos. I am giving everything live. And simply you can verify the previous videos also. Bharat Forge, I discussed it in the last trading session also. Bharat Forge, and you go for the Bharat Forge, look at the Bharat Forge here. Just it is simply it is in profit booking mode actually. You can find further upside levels once it crosses 804 or 805 level. There is a good chance of reaching up to 812 level if it is going up. So if the Bharat Forge ready to move, then you can find it, but the movement has been halted. At this moment, entering the long positions are going for the long on call options are not at all preferable. Better wait for the good level to come. And next it is doing good. Already we have given the target and we reached the target. Okay, our chart is showing simply good upside, and see the exact resistance level it is showing. Okay, wherever I have drawn the lines, there itself it is stopping, and you can observe it. And Nifty spot again, Simply you can find the good upside weekly, and simply daily also. I said 17,935 level. Above that level there is a good chance of reaching up to 18,000, 18,018 or more than that. The previous 18,041, that was the previous high. If that level is taken out, then only you can find the good up movement. Yeah, you can follow us through WhatsApp or Facebook. The WhatsApp also, you are going to respond. Just everything will be posted in WhatsApp group, and everything is free of cost. So just check the link in the WhatsApp group also. The individual stocks we are providing in the stream, everything is explained. Look at Banknifty part. Just we are going for Banknifty part. Now, see, it is performing good. There is a good chance of reaching 495 and crossing that level also. If that level is taken out, then there is a good chance of finding 38,600. It is a 38,600. It's going good. You can observe it. No problem for the bulls. The call writers, think over and maintain your positions. So whatever I said, that is happening now. I said above 38,000, not now. In the morning itself, I released the video. In my video, I specified that 38 it opened around 38,200 level. That is a good support level. You can expect up to 38,600. Once 38,495 has been taken out, the last hour trade maybe. We have to verify it. Once 38.49 the 491 is taken out, how it is going to behave, we need to check it. But first we have reached the previous high. The previous high need to be taken out to move further. You can observe it. Look at the TCS. TCS, those who are stuck in TCS, they can observe this here. Still it is showing some downside momentum. Already I mentioned it, 3630 is the good support zone for the TCS. If that level is taken out, then you can find further downside. Before going to the down, it has to come back up to 3700, then only it is going to be down again. And weekly also there is a good support at 3644. It is now it is above 3644, but it is showing downward momentum. If the 3644 below 3644, there is a good chance of reaching up to 3527. That is ultimate support, weekly support for the TCS. Monthly also 3463 is a good support actually, and there is no chance to find that level immediately. Better you can exit your short positions at this level if at all you are in your short side. So the better the TCS, it is upside only, but daily it is showing some downward momentum. It is not to take options. Buying options are not at all suitable at this moment. either put option or call option in case of TCS. And look at the BATA. Just we are going for the BATA India. Today it is showing good upside, going good. If the market is positive, the last hour, if the market is positive, then there is a good chance of reaching 2090 in BATA. You can find that level, immediate level. Then 2122 is the ultimate level in BATA. And look at the Reliance, it is at a good resistance, daily resistance zone. So once the 2670 has been taken out, 72 has been taken out, then there is a good chance of reaching up to 2700. If it is moving towards 2700, there is a good chance of finding the 18,000 in Nifty. There is a good chance we can predict that. Okay, no weakness in the market. We have to wait for the last 1 hour. But 230 to 330. What is going to happen? That we need to check it. SBI, look at SBI. It's a good public sector bank. So yeah, good. It is good going. A good level to find here, 482. And the monthly also, it is showing good upside. 490, 482, 490 is the zone. Okay, we are not expecting much more upside immediately. Okay, today it is going good. Good level to enter is at 464 zone for the long, 464 or above 470. If at this moment if you enter long positions, 471 is the stop loss. Below 471 you may get problem, and above 471, 472 there is no problem for the bulls in SBI. The daily chart, it is showing upside, weekly also upside, and monthly also it is showing good upside. This month there is no problem for the bulls, but only thing is the entry level is around 455. That is a good level to enter for the long positions. Already we are at resistance zone 480 to 490 zone. At this moment entering long calls in SBI not at all recommended. Momentum may take it to 490, 495 levels also. But the closing basis, we cannot expect more than 482 or 490 level. You look at NSE Nifty Nifty Smart here. Yes, still it's good going. Yes, we are ready to reach the level of 17,994. You see just how our chart pattern, our chart setup is working good. I said 17,935. Above that, there is a good up momentum. Call writers will have the hard time. That is happening now. Okay, simply it is going good. Look at the Banknifty also. The Banknifty also performing good. Okay, just Banknifty good going. Just we can look at the Banknifty spot. Okay, we can find it. It is going good. 600 level. There is a good chance. 600 level we can find it. When it go to the 600 level, uh, you can find some resistance over there. Okay, still you can maintain your long positions, no problem at all. 600 level or 600 to 650 zone, that is a good zone. Going good. 650 level, be careful. At 650 level, be careful. When it reaches to the 650, be careful. It's good going Nifty and Bank Nifty as per our expectation. You can observe the Nifty part also. It is doing good, performing good. There is a good chance of reaching up to 17,995 or 994. If that level is taken out, then only can find good upside up to 18,041 zone. Completely we made it based on the price action only. Completely it is a price action. The KPR view completely depends upon the price action, not only for equities, commodities, and going for cryptocurrency. Everything is working good in our chart setup. So we are providing the short length videos regarding each script. So when there is a good momentum. So today we have given the Bajaj Finance, Bajaj Finserv, these things we have given. Okay, in our case, giving the stop loss is the formality. Generally, in our calls, we never hit stop losses. You can find good returns within the short duration. We'll find the scripts which are in good upside or good downside. At this moment, we cannot consider the scripts which are in downside momentum. And you can find some bank in the bank. We can go over HDFC Bank. So previously, we explained something related to the HDFC Bank in previous streaming. Still, the 1645 is the resistance. The 1640, 1636. This was the resistance zone. Once this zone is taken out, there is a good chance today it can move up by maintaining the stop loss below 1610. You can maintain the long calls. So there is a good chance of finding the 1700 levels in coming days. There is no problem for the HDFC Bank. And HDFC Bank, it is at the strict resistance zone at 1644 monthly resistance. 1644. If that level is taken out, there is a good chance of finding the 1720 levels in the coming days. Reliance total daily in the daily chart a little bit of resistance at 2670 level, 2666 to 2672 level. If that level is taken out, then there is a good chance of finding the 2700. Momentum is slow. Go for the Nifty part. It is a range bound market, completely range bound market with upward momentum. Completely range bound market. Nifty, Banknifty, you can observe it. Both are in range bound, but last 1 hour we have to check it. Bajaj Finserv, let us verify the Bajaj Finserv. Look at the Bajaj Finserv. Yeah, there is a good chance of reaching up to 18,818. No problem above 17,800. Now we are at 18,200 level. Stop loss, by keeping the stop loss at 17,800 below 17,700, we can go for the target of 18,800 level. In the last streaming session, live streaming session, I have given the Jubilant Ford. Look at the Jubilant Ford. And I go over Jubilant Food works. Already I have given the target of 4158. Today it has taken out that level and reached the level, the good level, good going. Okay. So you can maintain the long positions in Jubilant Food. In the Jubilant Food works, we can maintain the long positions. But the target can be, already it has reached the upper target. There's a good chance of finding 4,500. Trend lines are not going to give the perfect view, but only thing is it will give some idea. That's the only thing. We are not depending upon the trend lines analysis. We completely, it is our own customized chart pattern. KPRVIEW depends upon its own customized chart pattern. We considered so many things before giving all these views. The trend lines are not going to give the perfect view on the market. So we depend upon different things to give the perfection. So it came into our notice yesterday. Just given the target of 4158 target that has been taken out, and it is good going. And at this moment, hourly, there is a good support at 4240 or 4220 level. The downside limited up to 4176. Above that, there is a good chance of moving up to 4375 again. So the Nifty is doing good, and Banknifty also doing good. So we are expecting good positive momentum in intraday. For the option buyers, a good chance in Jubilant Ford. Out of money options also can be taken. Option buyers can find good levels tomorrow, by tomorrow, for 4500 levels. So there is a good chance of finding good returns in option buying strategy when you go for Jubilant Ford. So look at the Titan. Just we are going for Titan. Titan company is also another favorite. Already I given the target of 2474. That is the first target to be reached in the coming days. Already we are at the level of 2474. This was the level I expected, and today we reached that level. Good going. Still there is a chance of reaching up to 2560. That is a level to be watched out. But be careful at this level. These levels already, these are still not daily overbought. Okay, and weekly and monthly they are in overbought zone. But generally, the stock scripts which are in uptrend, if the market is uptrend, generally in the overbought zone, we can find good momentum. But these are the momentum calls. Be careful from here onwards in the Titan. 2474, then 2560. Those are the levels expected in Titan. Good going. Our expectations are up to the mark. We reached the level of 2474. My target reached, and be careful at this level. Good going. I think this is the level, ultimate level for the Titan guys, and there the still up moment is expected up to 2560 level. The 2560 also you can reach it, no problem at all. The good going, the good performance by the Titan, and today earlier I expected 2474. You can verify my previous videos in my channel. Every day I'm giving the calls. I'm following up, following the total script. I'm giving the good follow up in scripts. So you can find it. But our calls will take 2 to 3 days or 5 days at the maximum to reach the targets. So those are the calls we used to provide. You can follow these calls free of cost. We are not going to charge anything. Just you can follow our calls. Today the Bata has given target of 2040. Already it has reached the target. The next level expected is 2090. Once the 2090 has been taken out, then there is a good chance of reaching up to 2122. That is the level I have given in the Bata. And the Titan, we reached the level, and no problem for the Titan. And in coming days, we are expecting Bajaj Finance and Bajaj Finserv to perform better. Keep an eye on those scripts. Good going. And earlier I had given the calls on Tata Motors. Already we reached the target. And Titan also we are given the call. From the last 1 week, we are talking about all these scripts. So keep on talking about all these scripts. All the scripts we achieved the targets. And the Nifty also performing good. Nifty, when you go for the index, generally it totally depends upon the global cues also and the overall market momentum. The last 1 hour trade, keep an eye on Reliance also, how it is going to perform in the last 1 hour. When you go for the Reliance script, the heavyweight script, it took the support at 2640 level. 426. Today's low was 2641. According to our chart pattern also, chart setup also, it is showing 2643 was the support. It took the support over there, and there onwards it lacked the momentum, upside momentum. Last 1 hour also, it is in a good zone, above 2661. We can expect upsides, no problem at all. Look at the Jubilant Ford last 1 hour trade of the Jubilant Ford. This year it is trying to reach 4238 level, which is a good support. If that support is taken out by chance, then there is a good chance of taking the support at 4187, but I am expecting the support to be taken at 4238 level or 4220 level. That is my expectation. So just let us verify it, how it is going to behave. But tomorrow we are expecting good momentum in Jubilant Ford. It's good going, and for the short-term traders or day traders, those who can keep their positions for 2 days or 3 days, they can maintain the stop loss at 4142. They can look for the target of 4375 or more than that, 4500 level also in Jubilant Food Works. It's a good going. We are expecting good momentum. Hourly support for the Jubilant Foodworks 4237. If that level is taken out, then there is a good chance of reaching up to 4186. But ultimate support is at 4142. That is the zone where one can consider going for the long calls for tomorrow. Titan, we reached our target of 2474. Then we can look for the target of 2560. There we have to stop going for the Titan. Monthly it is in overbought zone, and weekly also it is in overbought zone as per our analysis. My recommendation is this is a good zone where you can exit or longs 2474. Exactly, I given the call at 24 call the target of 2474. A little bit of bonus, there will be a chance of getting the bonus up to 2560. There is good chance of reaching up to that level. Traders has to think about their positions at 2474 to 2560. That is a crucial zone for anybody who are on long Titan, and still it's a good going script. There is no problem for the bullish view. Look at the Byton, look at the Bata. It is firing now. Almost it is firing now. There is a good chance of reaching the level 2090 today itself. But I have given the call. Hourly also it is performing good. I am expecting good momentum. There is no problem for Bata. It is upside, hourly upside, good going. There is a good chance to reach up to the level of 80, 2080, 2090 level. It is a good upside. Ultimate target is 2122. That is the target in Bata. Yeah, as I said, Nifty Bank NSE, the big Nifty Bank spot here. Look at the bank spot, Banknifty, Nifty Bank, the last 1 hour. You can observe this here. Simply, there is a chance of taking the total 38,571 out. Then, if that level is taken out, then there is a good chance of going for the 38,650 level. So 38,650 level. Weekly also it is showing good upside. The weekly you can find upside once 38,571 is taken out. Monthly also it is showing good upside. But only thing is at any moment you can find profit booking during this month itself. In case of Nifty also, I said the psychological level is 18,000. That is a psychological resistance. Yesterday we faced that resistance, and today also it is moving towards 18,000. Once 18,000 has been taken out, then only can find a good upside. Hourly, already we reached the point 17,986 level. And generally these lines are dynamic. They keep on changing dynamically. That is the reason we need to update the targets and supports. So as for the market movement, according to the market movement only, our chart pattern is going to work. This is the biggest advantage for us. We researched on price momentum only, not on fundamentals. So it is not possible to check the fundamentals of each and every script in the market. So many scripts are there in the market. We never consider the fundamentals completely. Our view will be on price momentum only. We never think about any other thing. The global clues may be good or bad. Our levels has to work in such a manner. We designed our levels, our chart setup. So you can follow our ideas and make good profits. We'll be happy if you make good profits. and you can observe my previous videos also. Nowhere we failed in case of the stop loss. The reaching the stop loss never happen in our calls. We keep the total trader in mind and the trader's point. Look at the Nifty spot and Bank Nifty spot. It is firing again. The NSE Bank, the Bank Nifty spot. Look at the Bank Nifty spot. Again, it is going up. And my target was I have given the target. It is the 38 650 level, 620 to 650 level. If that level is reached, the intraday target is completed for me. And if something is happening more than that, that is up to the trader how he is going to behave above that. So whatever the target I have given, first my target need to be fulfilled exactly. Then that is up to the trader. Okay, already I mentioned simply call writers be careful about that level. In case of Nifty also I have given the one level where the call writers has to think about their positions, and here that is happening. And the Bank Nifty firing again, it is going good. There is a good chance of reaching the levels up to 650 levels, 620 to 650 levels. There is no problem for us. Good going. After reaching the target, be careful. When I specify some target, after reaching the target, you can look for the further levels. Get satisfied with what you get it in the market. The market will be there forever. The human being will be there or not there. It is a limited scope, but markets will be there forever. In the next generation also you can find these markets, no problem at all. Be cool while taking the positions. When the market is in uptrend, always you try to conserve the long positions. Don't go for the shorts. In the shorts you may not get the total good levels to trade. Always you have to look for the support levels to enter in the uptrending market. Downtrending, if you want to go for shorts, so find the script which is in a completely downtrend, then only can get good returns. And while going for the derivatives also, keeping the scripts for longer time, always you need to find the scripts which are monthly uptrend, which are in the monthly uptrend, not in the downtrend. Always you have to follow the trend, then only you can find good returns in the market. If you don't follow the trend, there is going to be a problem. Look at the Bank Nifty, it is firing, and we are going to reach our target of 38,620. Once 38,620 has been reached, then there is a good chance of going for the 700 level. That is a momentum call only. And in the morning itself I mentioned 38,200 is a good support, and I'm keep on iterating that. Be careful, and no shorts recommended actually. Just once we are reaching 38,620 level, then look at the positions and be careful. Intraday positions 38,620 to 38,650, that is a good level to reach. After reaching that level, be careful. It is completely uptrend, no problem for your long calls. For the hourly also, simply I mentioned, simply there is a chance of reaching 38,700 if 3820, 38,620, above 38,620 there is a good chance of reaching up to 38,600 level, 700 level. But it is a momentum call. The only thing is already we reached the level up to 38,600. Be careful at this level. So you have to be careful at this level. Be careful. Proper care must be taken regarding our positions. Please try to be careful at this level. Banknifty spot. Daily still you can find. All are in uptrend only. Don't go for the shorts at this moment. The shorts, the scope is limited. My recommendation is look at the Nifty spot here. Just you can find Nifty spot. See the Nifty spot target is up to 18,018. Maybe reach it today or in coming days. You can find upside, but there is a resistance at 18,041. Once that level is taken out, then there is a good chance to find the upper levels. But 18,000 is the psychological resistance, but not the technical resistance. In the last streaming sessions also I mentioned it. The 18,000 is a good psychological resistance for the traders. But still the market is not showing any weakness. That is a important thing to consider. No weakness at all. It is going good, no problem. The individual splits are performing good. The Titan is doing good. Bank next we can find Bata is doing good, and I mentioned one Jubilant Food Works. You can find Jubilant Food Works. Here, just I mentioned simply 42.36 is the good support zone. It had made the low of 42.28. See a 22.40 zone I have specified. Exactly in that zone, it is trying to find some support. If it is finding the support at that level, there is a good chance of reaching the level at 43.75 again, and more upside also in the coming days. The monthly good, it is in good. It took the support at 3929, and it is going up, and it made high. There is a good chance of finding the levels up to 4500 in coming days, and maintain the strict stop loss at 4150, 4120, 4150. That is the zone. Closing basis, you can maintain your stop loss over there. And look at the Bajaj Finance. We can find Bajaj Finance here. When you go for the Bajaj Finance, there's a good going, and hourly also, and it took the support at 7861 zone, 78550 to 7861 zone. There is a good chance to going up, and you can maintain the long positions in Bajaj Finance also. The last 40 minutes trade left out. I said 17,935, above 935, good for the bulls. Below 17,935, there was a good chance of reaching 17,820. Now the support level has been updated. 17,841 is a good support. We'll take up the advice on individual scripts also. Those who are interested, they can send their queries to the given email ID. So that in the live streaming every day, the live streaming we'll discuss about those scripts also. Anybody can send their scripts for advice. We'll give the quick updates on the scripts mentioned. Look at the Bata, it is going good. The Bata India, that is going good. So we are given the target of 2080 or 2090 today itself. So only thing is Reliance is not performing good. That is the main dragger in Nifty. So look at the Bata here. Just our target is 2080 to 2090 level. On my screen, it is the Bata is going. Almost is good going. There's a good chance of reaching up to 2080 to 2090 today itself. You can maintain the long calls up to 2080. So the ultimate target is 2122. 2122, that is the ultimate target in Bata. Look at the Bata, it is firing again. Okay, we want to reach the target of 2080. The Bata is our target is 2080. After reaching the target 2080, be careful at that level. There is a good chance of reaching up to 2090 or 2100. There is a good chance. It is a good level to think about your long positions, whether you want to exit or continue. But market is going good. The Nifty spot, you can find it. The Nifty 18,018. There may be a chance of reaching that level. Half an hour, you can find half an hour chart pattern also. Simply it is good going, no problem. You can maintain your long calls in Nifty by keeping the stop loss at 17,945. That is the support zone. There is no chance to find downside. Good going. Look at the Bata again. Our target reached now 2080. The 2080 we reached. Good. 2080 reached, almost reached. The 2078 was the high. The 2080. I never say nearer to that. It has to cross the 2080 and towards 2090 or 2100. 2100. And Titan also I mentioned, simply 2474. After reaching the 2474, the next level to be watched out is 2560. That is the level to be looked out. It's good going. The Titan also performing good, and it has reached our expectation, and 2474 was the target earlier I had given. Now it is still, there is upside. You can find upside up to 2560. To my target, next target will be 2560, but strict stop losses, but you have to carry forward your position to find that level. Otherwise you can exit your long positions at this level. In the Bank Nifty, Bank Nifty Smart. So look at the Bank Nifty Spot here. Still it is moving slowly, and there is a good chance of reaching the 2620. Already it had made an high of 38,606. Our target mentioned was 38,620 to 650 zone. Still there is a good chance of reaching that level. And look at Reliance. It is trying to find upside momentum. I mentioned it 2672, 2666 to 2672. If that level is taken out, then there is a good chance of finding the level 2700. If that is 2700, we are ready to cross 18,000 today itself. And look at the Bata, our target. Already I mentioned that. Just we are exactly at 2080. Our target reached 2080 level reached. Still there is a good chance up to 2090. In between there is a good chance of finding the profit booking. Otherwise it can reach up to 2122. That is the level. And the Titan company also, just you can find Titan company. It is doing good. It is moving up. No weakness in Titan at this moment, but 2490 Still, it's good going. Momentum is good. It is a momentum call up to 2560. Up to 2560, you can find the level in Titan. And Bata is performing good. It is exactly at 2080. There is a good chance of finding the 2090. That is the level we targeted, and already we reached the lower boundary of our target. It is firing. Just so Titan is 249192. Good going, and you can maintain up to 2560 positionally. Look at one more script, Jubilant Foodworks. We can find Jubilant Foodworks. Yeah, exactly what happened in Jubilant Foodworks. I said 42302, 4220 is the support. It took the support over there and moving up. Now it is at 4270. You can maintain the long calls in Jubilant Foodworks. Immediately there is a good chance of reaching up to 4305 hourly basis. Then 4375. Look at the Bajaj Finserv and Bajaj Finance, but it may take time. Already I mentioned it earlier also. Just took the good support. It is at 18,200 level. In coming days, you can find the level up to 18,800 level. In the Bajaj Finance and Bajaj Finserv, you can find a good up movement in coming days. You can keep an eye on Bajaj Finance and Bajaj Finserv for coming 2 to 3 days. Look at the Bank Nifty part here. You can observe the total Bank Nifty part here. It is trading around the breakout level. Still, there is a good chance of going up. No problem for the Nifty and Bank Nifty. Once the psychological resistance 18,000 has been taken out, there is a good chance of finding the upper levels also. Look at the Bata, just what I mentioned. Our target 2080 has been touched here. Then a little bit of down momentum, you can find it, but still a good upside for the Bata, and there is a good chance of finding the level 2122. But our intraday target completed up to 2080. If the momentum is good, you can find the level 2090 also. Look at the Nifty spot. When you go for the Nifty spot, already I mentioned 17,935, above 17,935. Good chance of reaching 18,000 levels. Just now we are nearer to the 18,018. That is the intraday target. If that target is touched here, then there is a good chance to go up to 18,041. The 15 minutes left out in the trade. Look at the 15-minute chart. The 15-minute chart is moving towards 17,994. If that level is taken out, then there is a good chance of finding the 18,014. Okay, look at the 15-minute chart pattern, the time framework. According to our chart pattern, our chart setup, the target is 17,994. Just we reached that point, almost 991 now, and we have to touch 17,994. See how our chart setup is working. The working good, and there is a good chance to move up. Has to go 18,014 intraday target, no problem for the bulls. It's still upside, no problem. If US market perform good in the evening, you can find higher levels in the morning itself, tomorrow morning itself. The Nifty touch 18,000 again. So look at the Nifty. Nifty is at 18,000 level. It's keep going. In the morning itself, I have given the call on Nifty and range bound within the given range only today market, and after that it has taken the upward momentum. And see a look at the Bata now. The Bata is performing good. It is at 2084 level. The Bata is also the 2084 level good going. At 2084, our next target will be 2122. But once the 2090 has been taken out, then there is a good chance of reaching up to 2122. And observe the Nifty spot. This Nifty spot, you can find it. You can follow the videos posted in my channel, and we consider the daily, weekly, and monthly view. And here it is our expectation 18,018. Then it is going to be up to 18,041 and more. And look at the Bata, it is firing. The Bata good going, good going. It is 2096. The high was 2096. My target is at 2122. If it reaches that level today itself, we'll be happy with that. No weakness in Bata. Of course, it is in almost overbought zone, zone, but still there is up movement left out. 2122 is the target what you are setting up. And Titan company also, you can find Titan company. You can find Titan here, Titan company. Look at the Titan. Our target. The next target what we are finding is 2560. Almost it reached the 2500 psychological level. 2500 is the simple psychological level for the traders, but technical level is 2560. You have to be careful at that level, and it is going up completely. It is going up. No stop for the Titan. And Nifty also trading around 18,000. If it is above 18,000, there will be a nightmare for the call writers. Look at the SRF, just our favorite script, SRF. Look at the SRF now. The SRF is moving up, and it is at 12,600 level. Again it is firing. There is a good chance of finding the higher levels up to 13,000 level. 12,900 to 13,000. 13,000 is ultimate target in case of SRF Limited. It's going good. Here I am taking all these calls, all these ideas based on the chart pattern what I customized it. This is my own customized chart pattern, and I'm keep on saying this chart pattern has been built over the price action only. We are not going to think about any of the fundamentals or nothing, just completely price movement. So the price movement, based on the price movement, I am giving the targets. These are all dynamic levels. Your Reliance Industries, it is ready to move up, and already I said there will be resistance at 2672 level. Once that level is taken out, then there is a good chance of finding the upper levels in Reliance Industries. If the Reliance is moving, means the Nifty also going to show some movement, and only thing is the Reliance is unable to cross 2672 level. If that level is taken out within the short duration, you can find higher levels. Bata is 2100 level. It has reached the level of 2100. There is a good chance of reaching 2122. Okay, almost it has reached the level of 2100, 2099. It is going good. Fresh entries, don't go for the fresh entries. Just if already you are on long, wait for the exit. 2122 is the good level to exit in Bata, or at this level, that is up to the trader. If the trader feel comfortable, he can exit from the positions at this level, but still there is a chance of reaching up to the level of 2122. It has crossed the level 2100, and still it is moving up. Our target 2122. The today itself there is a good chance of reaching, and it's good going. Our ideas working fine. Our chart setup working good. For the coming days, we are going to look at Bajaj Finance and Bajaj Finserv. There is a good chance of finding the levels in good Bajaj Finance and Bajaj Finserv in coming 2 or 3 days duration. Bata is made the high of 2108. So those who are able to maintain positional calls, they can maintain it up to 2122 level. That is a good level to exit, exactly good level to exit. In the first hour itself, you have to exit from the positions. If at all you want to keep the positions in Bata, in the first hour itself, you have to exit from the bata positions in the next day. The Nifty is above 18,000. A good level. If it is closed above 18,000, it is the highest level, and psychological resistance will be taken out once it is above 18,000. If it is above 18,000, there is a good chance of reaching up to 18,345 level. Is holding 18,000. So good going the last 1 minute. Okay, above we are looking for the above 18,000. With above 18,000, it will be good going, and you can find higher levels. No problem for the bulls here. The Bank Nifty is closing at higher levels, and Nifty also closing at record levels. Then we can find higher levels in the first hour itself if the US market perform good. In the early morning, we are giving the Nifty view based on SGX Nifty. Almost it has closed about the 18,000, spot at 18,004. It is a good level for closing, and we are giving ideas based on SGX Nifty in the morning itself. You can follow our channel and you can find the good levels in SGX Nifty. At the same time, in coming days we are going to start the service in commodities as well as cryptocurrency also. Thank you for watching our live stream.